Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make these delicious, soft, tender, oven-baked potatoes topped with lots of mozzarella cheese. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. Starting with the ingredients, I am going to be using 4 red potatoes. I'm going to need a little bit of heavy whipping cream, shredded mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper, paprika, parsley flakes. First off, what I'm going to do is take off the skin from my potatoes. Once I have washed off the dirt, I'm going to just slice them down in circles. I do get rid of the first part that I slice off. And just keep slicing. You can make them thick or thin. I'm just doing them this way. After that, you want to just add them to a bowl. Once in the bowl, I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, and paprika. And just mix it around, making sure that the potatoes get covered with those seasonings. And then here what I did, I placed them on this baking sheet and I drizzled it with the heavy whipping cream. And this is gonna go in the oven 350 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you want to shred your cheese and just cover these in your cheese. Back in the oven for 15 minutes and just top it off with some parsley flakes. And this is pretty much done. You want to just serve it up on a pretty platter and it's ready to serve. Want to thank you all for watching my video and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.